How to book a flight on SKYLUX Travels. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can book your flight on SKYLUX and save money. So let's get into it. Now before we begin, there is a link in the description below for the website where you can go ahead and sign up. You'll also find some promo codes and discount codes along with that link, so make sure you check those out, which you can apply on the website when you are booking your flight to save a bunch of money. So let's get into it. So here you can go ahead and select this option right here. Straight up, just simply go ahead and select either a round trip or a one-way trip. Select your destination, your departure date, your arrival date, and the class of your plane or your flight or your cabin, and then simply search for the flight. You can see right here you got all these different destinations available, all these cool amenities and features that they offer. So go ahead and select your destination. So let's go with, we'll keep that there, and we're gonna go to Madrid. Madrid airport, and then we're gonna select our destination. Arrival is gonna be, depending on our departure date, I believe. And then here we have our business class. Then we'll just simply click on search for flight, and then here we go. And then here in the search section, you can see right here we have all of our options. This is the departure date. Right here we'll go with that. It's the same thing: name, phone number, email address. And then here is the flight right here. I have some other options as well down below, and you can select whichever one you want, right? So let's go with Turkish Airlines. This is they're offering us right here. Then we just simply click add our number and stuff like that. We can even select multi-city or round trip, and then we should be good to go. It's that simple. So pretty cool, right? It's kind of like this. When you click on the get free quota button, they're gonna send you an email for all the information of the flight. Then you can go ahead and choose whether you or not you want to book that flight. All right, they're also gonna send you a link. But yeah, there you go. That's how you can book a flight with SKYLUX. So thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoy this video, and until next time, take care and goodbye.